The sequestration matter is one that is before the agency, as it is every other federal agency. The board has taken a position that we've instructed the senior managers at the BBG staff level and the heads of the 5 networks to present to us a plan that minimizes the amount of furloughs involved with the agency to the extent possible, while coming up with the cuts that OMB has required us to come up with pursuant to the sequestration measures. So know that the position of the board is to try to keep all the people as whole as possible while cutting back on some services. Obviously, this will not be done without any pain, and it will not be done without already limiting some of the important journalistic work that the U.S. International Broadcasting does. But given the situation that we face, we're going to have to make some cuts. So know that the board and the senior staff will work to try to mitigate as much of that as on the human workforce factor as possible, and hopefully there's some quick resolution to this sort of at the macro level, which is all beyond our control.